shit on Nate's bed.
All right, Bean, tell us what's happening.
There's a bird in your room. Well, their room.
All I want is some socks to go to the diner, but goddamn bird.
He's gonna poop on Nate's bed.
Where is it? Is it on Nate's bed?
He almost attacked me.
What the?
Where is he?
There he is.
What kind of bird is he?
Bird.
Rackle.
That's a rat. Oh, that's a bird. I'm an idiot.
That's a bird.
All right, we should probably keep it in.
Go.
Try and keep it in there. Keep him
Where
trapped.
the fuck did he come in?
Retarded.
How did he get in
I
here?
don't know. Idea.
Dude, if he
dying,
comes
man.
over, someone just bad at him.
Dude, is there a hole in Nate's screen?
Holy shit, he's getting out.
He's gonna get out of that thing. Oh Jesus! Look
Holy
at it.
fuck! It's a real bird.
Get closer up to it.
No, it's a fake bird.
Get close up. Get really close up to it.
Okay.
I don't want.
I do have eye protection.
Now we're trapped in here with this fucking thing.
Behind the ball.
Oh my god. Make sure it doesn't come out here.
Whoa!
No, dude, don't do that. It'll come out.
Holy shit, that's pretty fucking.
Beak is coming
Dude, I
out.
want to see it.
Ah! That's weird. It's an actual bird.
Oh God, it's weird. It's so it looks so weird.
He's probably killing himself over there.
Yeah.
He's fucking up his wings.
How the hell did we get in here?
Yeah.
Alright, it's just I'm.
This is the worst April Fool's joke ever.
How the fuck did this bird?
We need like a broom.
I told you there was something in your rules. Is there a
How do we
room?
flush it outside? Or jeez, look at this.
Everybody band up. There's the windows.
Holy hell, dude! Look, his wings are completely out, and he's trying to. Oh man. Dog.
No,
Yeah.
no, he's.
Just pull it up a little tiny bit.
He's just hanging out in the box.
All right, guys, we need to.
We need to get a bucket.
Yeah.
All right.
Boxes.
No, that's for me.
Boxes around.
Okay.
All right, we need a plan.
Okay, so we're gonna put it in a box.
I need something like those box.
The box.
Another big piece of wood.
Put a tat up like old towel.
Yeah, towel. Box and towel method.
Towel.
No! Bullshit, damn it.
I want to get a really
Here,
good picture.
here, grab a towel and wrap it around him.
Yeah, I got a shirt.
Let me get a picture of this.
Box and shirt method. Box and shirt.
All right,
That's not a picture.
all right, we got it. The cameraman needs to back off a little bit. We need to get in there.
Hang on.
Paparazzi, you don't have clearance right now.
All right.
All right. Hang on a second.
All right.
This is, we got him in trap. This is
Here,
we're really lucky right
Give
here.
me that, Jimbo.
All right. If he comes in the box, I have to stop him with the thing. You know.
Yeah, get the camera going. Keep it
What,
going.
what am I? What do,
Dude, if he comes in the box and doesn't stop, I'm just gonna box on top.
Snap and stick.
This thing is the scariest
It's a
face I've
fucking
ever
bird.
seen.
All right. So
The only way it's gonna come out is the bottom, probably.
yeah, as I move up farther.
All right. I'll
How did this?
There we
Just
go.
slide it up. Briz, sideways.
This?
Yes.
You have
Cover
a
more
big
surface
picture.
area.
Well,
Yeah,
look,
yeah.
vertical.
It has
So fucking
scared.
scared! Shit! He's pissed!
If he comes flying, just smack him.
All right.
I'm a fucking man! I'm a man! I'm a man!
Here we go.
This isn't gonna work.
Ah!
How are we gonna
Get up! Ah! He looked at me! He looked at me! I got him?
He's a.
Well, now what do we do?
No.
There's nowhere to go from here.
Dudes, I got him.
You're gonna turn the box down so like it tries to fly up.
Dude, this is horrible. This is the worst.
I can't believe it. I have a bird in a box.
Okay.
All right. So you're gonna take it.
You take.
I don't know. You put. Oh
Yeah,
shit.
we're gonna
Yeah.
clear it past.
We need
What do I need to do anything?
Oh!
You motherfucker!
Where'd he get
Is that poop?
My
No, that's
That's
John's own stains.
Really shit.
Seriously though, how the
That's-
hell did he get in here?
It's okay with me right now.
Okay.
I don't know.
This is the first of a lot of birds that are going to be in here.
I don't know. What do we do?
Easy there, fella.
Just tape that to the wall. He can be our bird pet.
What if he just literally shot out through here?
Okay, well, he wants to go outside probably, so we can probably just let him out and let him fly outside.
Where is he?
It'll take him forever to go outside.
All right, well,
no,
Is your screen fucked up?
I don't know.
They have a bird in that
Someone's
box
screen
right
probably
that
broke.
box.
Oh, it's in there?
There's a bird in that box.
Okay.
So what do we do?
All right, hang on a second.
All right,
Hold
so-
guide it out.
That's what I'm saying.
What I
like-
think, let it
Hold
go
on.
out.
Taylor, do what you said you were gonna do,
What do you
and
want
like
me to
slowly
do?
turn the box up.
And
And then
that's
you-
the worst part.
Wait,
Where'd that
Listen,
other box go?
Listen,
We'll
I
be
think-
back momentarily.
It's right there. It's right there.
I think we need something.